So on today's tutorial we're going to see how to make this moss stitch bucket hat. Very easy and simple to do, very similar to the single crochet bucket hat but using the moss stitch. If you want to see how to achieve it, just stay tuned. So for this project I'm using acrylic medium worsted yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain 2, 1 and 2 in the second chain from the hook. In the second chain from the hook I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, total of 6 times. And chain 1 at the end and join with a slip stitch onto the first stitch. So first round what I'm gonna do is chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1 and single crochet in the same space and chain 1 again and repeat. Double single crochet in the next space. You should have 12 single crochet moss stitch. Single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, all in the spaces only. Chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, in the last space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 and join. Around 3 chain 1 in the next space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1. In the next space, single crochet, chain 1 only and we repeat. In the next space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, in the next space, single crochet till the end of the round. Round 4 I'm gonna chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the first chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 in the next 2 spaces and again double single crochet in the next space, which is single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 and we repeat again 1 single crochet in the next 2 spaces and double single crochet in the next space until the end of the round. So round 4 I'm gonna chain 1, 2 moss stitch in the first space, chain 1, moss stitch, single crochet in the next 4 spaces. One, 2, 3, 4 and then double single crochet, which is single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 and we repeat again. Single crochet moss stitch in the next 4 spaces till the end of the round. So round 7 I'm gonna chain 1, 2 moss stitch, single crochet, which is single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the same space, chain 1, single crochet in the next 5 spaces, which is single crochet, chain 1 always. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then double single crochet moss stitch in the next space, which is single crochet, chain 1, single crochet and chain 1 again, and repeat 5 single crochet in the next 5 spaces till the end of the round. So this is the end of round 7. Don't worry if you have a hexagon shape. Don't worry if you have the hexagon shape. It will take the round shape once you start shaping the bucket hat. So from next row, round 8 to round 23, yes, I'm gonna make only a single crochet, moss stitch single crochet. So chain 1 in the next space, single crochet, chain 1 in the next space, single crochet and chain 1 in the next space, single crochet and chain 1 till round 23, and then we will see what we need to do next. Just a single crochet moss stitch, so it will shape into a beanie initially. So in row 24 I'm gonna chain 1, and then single crochet in the next space, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, and repeat. Double single crochet in the next space with a chain 1, of course, and then a single crochet in the next space. We will alternate. This will be the decrease to shape the bucket hat, the brim of the bucket hat. So one space is single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and the next space is single crochet, single crochet, chain 1 for one row only, and then we'll go back to the normal single crochet. So after this row of decrease, what I'm gonna do from this row 25 till 31 is again one single crochet moss stitch, single crochet in every space. So chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet in every space for the next 6 rows. Single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet throughout. And here I'm at the end of row 31 and single crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch, and that's it. Fasten off and the hat is done and ready. I'll just hide my thread. Oops. And I'm ready to use my hat. Very simple, stylish and easy to make. I hope you liked the video and found it easy to achieve. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.